Repeat after me. Pagkatapos ko, kayo naman magsasalita. Kopya? Oh, security guard, greet.
Security guard, greet.
As a security guard,
As a security guard,
my fundamental duty
my fundamental duty
is to protect lives and property
is to protect life and property
and maintain order
and maintain order
within my place of duty.
within my place of duty.
Protect the interests
Protect the interests
of my employer
of my employer
and our client,
and our client,
and the security
and security
and stability
and stability
of our government
of our government
and country
and country
without compromise
without compromise
and prejudice.
and prejudice.
Honest in action,
Honest in action,
words and thought.
words and thought.
And I do my best
And I do my best
to uphold
to uphold
the principle
the principle
of makadiyos,
of makadiyos,
makabayan,
makabayan,
makatao,
makatao,
at makakalikasan.
at makakalikasan.
Okay, hands down! Open na yan.